ODM.
Atongoria a kiama kia ODM thĩinĩ wa mwaho ũrĩa ũtongoragio nĩ Oburu Odinga ũkwambĩte hema mwena wa Migori ũkiuha mũingĩ wa mwena ũyũ kũmanyita mbaru.
And it is to them.
Mũcemanio ũyũ ũkĩte rĩrĩ gĩkundi kia ODM Linda Mwananchi gĩthiĩte na mbere kũregana na ũnyitanĩri wa kiama kia ODM na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
Some people wameanza kuharahara. How about when it comes the real one, the negotiations? The negotiations will come and they will go. And we are going to have our NDC. These people have been saying that Oburu is illegitimate because he was not confirmed by NDC. We have called NDC on 27th of this month.
Chama ya ODM, we have betrayers. We want to warn them. ODM cannot be hijacked. ODM cannot have another extra name. ODM will remain OD.
Let us respect Oburu. Let us behind Oburu and support Oburu to take our party to the next level. ODM will produce president of this country in 2032. Upende usipende. Hallelujah.
Oburu Odinga augĩte no megũthiĩ na mbere kũnyitanĩra na thirikari nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra maũndũ marĩa Raila ahũranagĩra nĩ makinyanĩrio.
Mambo ya compensation kwa watu wetu ambao walikufa kwa hii mambo ya maandamano, kina Junet wako pale bunge wameamua wakaweka pesa pale 2 billion ianze kufanya compensation kwa families ambazo ziliumia, ikianzia hapa Migori na kila mahali.
Mr. James Orengo, Oburu left for you the position of Senator Siaya. Oburu did not contest against you as Governor Siaya. Please respect Oburu also. When he's given the position of party leader, stop jealousy.
Governor wa Migori Otiro Ayako akiuga matigwĩtĩkĩra atongoria a gĩkundi kia ODM Linda Mwananchi kwagira gĩtĩo Oburu Odinga.
Na tumeamua tunataka power na tumeruhusu kinara wetu ili aendelee kutafuta power.
Na kuingia katika power, ile ng'ombe ikiangushwa chini itawekwa nusu. Nusu itaenda na ODM, nusu itaenda na UDA. Sawa si sawa?
Mbunge wa Sunais Junet Mohamed na seneta wa Narok Ole Kina makiuga kĩrĩa mareka nĩ gwĩkĩra kĩama hinya nĩgetha gĩkahota kũruta atongoria aingĩ gĩthurano-inĩ gĩũkĩte.
Fanya negotiation na UDA tupate power. Na wengine wanasema tutoke kwa serikali tuende kwa upinzani ndio turudi kwa serikali. Nyinyi mko kwa mrengo gani?
Hakuna haja tupoteze wakati. Raila alituacha na William Arap Ruto. Na venye alituacha na William Ruto, tutakuwa washenzi tukienda kando kwa upinzani. Mimi niliweka maisha yangu hatarini. Nikisimama hapa nimeumia.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Migori, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njũgũna.